Hi everyone, it's Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about the techniques used when steering. Now, a lot of stories you hear from the past is that you need to use a pull-push technique when steering, and that isn't actually 100% factually true. Now, yes, it is the safest method, and your instructor may teach you to use that method, but with regards to the driving test, as long as you have the car under control at all times, you are okay to cross your arms slightly, as long as the car is fully under control at all times. Now, like I say, the safest way is to use the pull-push technique, which is where you are feeding the wheel between your hands to make sure that your arms aren't crossing so that you cannot get caught up with the steering wheel. If you found the information useful, then please like, share and comment. If you want some help with your theory test, then visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.